So today I want to tell you about different model compression methods. So I don't want to touch just algorithmic side. I kind of want to touch both like some low-level thing like serialization and high-level approaches like knowledge distillation and architecture search. And basically some practical tips we learned along the way when we designed our manufacturing optimization platform. So when organizing machine learning models on edge, usually there are several challenges. You probably saw it in every other presentation that we have limits on latency, memory usage, energy usage. Depending on your task, it can be different. For example, if you have a remote server or you have mobile device, you may have more limitations on energy versus latency and so on. So when you organize your machine learning pipeline to train model and deploy them to the edge, it's a multi-step process effectively. So you gather data, you choose model architecture, you train the model, compile the model for your hardware, and finally you have infrastructure for deploying model to the edge and actually running it. So optimizations in this process can be introduced on different levels. And depending on the type of the optimization, it will be present on a different step. A rule of thumb is that if you can introduce optimization early in the process, usually it affects accuracy less, but it may be harder to implement compared to something where you apply it on already pre-trained model.